National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm in western Sampson County in central North Carolina, southeastern Harnett County in central North Carolina, southwestern Johnston County in central North Carolina until 11:15 p.m. At 10:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lillington, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Smithfield, Dunn, Benson, Irwin, Coates, Four Oaks, Newton Grove, Spivey's Corner, and Boys Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Bro, this is literally a minute after I caught the other one. A freaking minute. My goodness.
Lows in the mid-70s. Highs in the low.
Yo. This is my third one. Is that you, Mom? This is my third one.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Moore County in central North Carolina, central Harnett County in central North Carolina, eastern Montgomery County in Carolina, Lee County in central North Carolina, southwestern Wake County in central North Carolina, west central Johnston County in central North Carolina, southern Chatham County in central North Carolina until 11:15 p.m.
It's kind of
At
a bigger
10:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cary to near Troy, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail.
Wow.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Cary, Sanford, Southern Pines, Smithfield, Pittsboro, Lilton, Troy, Carthage, and Garner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. And now taking a look at the forecast for the local area.
That's crazy, y'all.
You should attend.
But I don't know why my WO100 isn't going off.
Thunderstorms late this evening. Then showers and thunderstorms.
Someone tell me why my WR100 isn't going off. They're literally on the same channel.
And large hail.
But that's crazy. This is my third one tonight. My third freaking one.
Northwestern Sampson.
I called it once again. Severe thunderstorm watch.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 398, effective until 6 a.m. Tuesday. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Bladen, Columbus, Cumberland, Duplin, Harnett, Hoke, Moore, Robeson, Sampson, and Scotland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm watch number 394 has been canceled for the following counties in North Carolina: Cumberland, Harnett, Hoke,
4 SVRs and a severe thunderstorm watch. SVA. My God, man. My goodness. We are getting it tonight.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for. Southeastern Moore County in central North Carolina. Northwestern Sampson County in central North Carolina. Southern Harnett County in central North Carolina. Cumberland County in central North Carolina. Hope County in central North Carolina until 11:45 p.m. At 10:51 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Pope Air Force Base, or over Fort Bragg, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Southern Pines, Rayford, Fort Bragg, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Godwin, Pope Air Force Base, Hope Mills, and Spring Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yo, this is crazy.
The following is a special weather statement for the following counties in North
SVA
Carolina,
and then an SVR. A freaking gun, bro? Come on.
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County in central North Carolina, northeastern Sampson County in central North Carolina, Wilson County in central North Carolina, Johnston County in central North Carolina, until 11:45 p.m. At 10:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southeast of Smithfield, moving east at 60 miles per hour.
Oh my.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Goldsboro, Smithfield, Wilson, Clayton, Mount Olive, Fremont, Walnut Creek, Micro, Selma, and Four Oaks. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather statement.
That was almost a doubleheader.
In North Carolina.
That was merely a doubleheader.
Moore and Sampson.